What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and what we're going to be looking at is the whale wallets. So we really want to track what's going on behind the scenes as we match that with technical price action as well. So I think this is important, guys, and if you get something from it, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. You want me to continue to do this, just put whale wallets down low. I would also love to see your opinion of if you think we're going to hold around this 38,000 that we're at right now, or if you feel like we're just going to roll over back to some of those lower levels around 33 or 34,000. I'd love your take down low. So right now, when we're taking a look at this here, guys, new addresses, we are up 8.97% for Bitcoin. Active addresses, we're up 16.1% right now. Then if we take a look at exchange inflows, we're at 19%, and exchange outflows, we're at 83%. If we get into our whale wallets, first one that I want to take a look at here, this is going to be 10,000 or more. And I think it's something that you really want to pay attention to, guys, just really tracking these wallets behind the scenes as well. So if you like me bringing this to you nice and quick, just let me know down low. So what you can see is here, guys, we ended up having our low for our wallets, and this was around 81. And this is when our price was all the way up at around $66,000. So now what you're looking at here is that we potentially could have a higher low at 84 wallets. And this is going to be at $42,198. So if we could hold this area, this would be a higher low in terms of the whale wallets. Then we'd have to see if we can try to make another move to the upside and set a higher high. So we do need to hold this area at around 84 whale wallets. We bounced up to about 86, and now we're back down to 85. So definitely something that we're keeping an eye on there, because we want to change that trend. We want to get this back into an uptrend here. That's going to be important for us. If we take a look at 1,000 or more, 1,000 or more has just really been relatively flat ever since we hit this high up here, guys. We had about 2,488 wallets, and that was at $38,900. Ever since then, we had the big sell-off, and we've just been relatively flat. Right now, we're sitting at 2,117, so we would like to see that pick up. If we get into 100 or more, we had a massive collapse here. Guys, we were up at around $60,000. We had 16,200 whale wallets there at 100 or more. You can see for the longest time there, they were just selling off, selling off. We had that straight plunge to the downside where we ended up hitting a low of about 15,600. And now we have a short-term little uptrend taking place right now. We want this to continue. That's going to be important, this 100 or more. If we get into 10 or more, more relatively flat here. We had our big sell-off, guys, just really been moving sideways. With 10 or more, we're at 145,000. Then if we get into 1 or more has been more so up and to the right. We would say we've had some selling off, but for the most part, guys, we are still in a nice little uptrend here for 1 or more, and that's what you want to see. A little bit more of that retail, even at 0.1 greater than, and that's just been up and to the right as well. So that's what you want to see from the retail. We still want to see some participation from that 1,000 or more, and that 100 or more would be really important for us. So that's going to be Bitcoin. If we take a look next at Ethereum, and if you're here for ETH, just put ETH down low. If you're here for Bitcoin, put Bitcoin down low. These are the ones that they allow me to do with the address, so that's what I want to put out there for you. So if we take a look at 10,000 or more, and we get into the line chart here, so guys, we had a bit of a double bottom, and this was at 1,147 wallets here. The price was at 3,624. Then we basically hit it again there, and that was at 3,095. Then we made a nice move up. We got to 1,167 wallets. Then we've had a little bit of a selling off here, and we're at 1,154 wallets right now. But same deal here. If we could set this higher low, that would be important for us, and this would be a nice new little trend there of 10,000 or more. We really haven't had a huge sell-off at 10,000 or more. You can see this big pull up, and then we've just kind of moved down and sideways slightly. We're going to have to see if we get another blast to the upside here. Nothing's guaranteed, guys. We just got to continue to watch this stuff. If we take a look at 1,000 or more, 1,000 more, kind of like Bitcoin, just really down, and then we've been flat for the longest time here, slightly down as well. So we need to pick up 1,000 or more. If we look at 100 or more, this is slightly starting to move to the upside there. Nothing real crazy here, but still trying to move to the upside at some of these lower levels. Then if we get into 10 or more, here, guys, 10 or more, we have been in an uptrend, and right now we're sitting at 280,000 with 10 or more. If we get into 1 or more, 1 or more has been up and to the right. Just give you a good example here. If we get into the bar chart, you can just really see how this retail has been trying to get as much Ethereum as possible at these lower levels. And then if we get into that 0.1, greater than 0.1, that has also been up and to the right. So pretty good with the retail, I would say, guys. I still want to see some more power from some of these whales, and I think this is an area that we just have to be cautious. We need more direction. We have a lot going on in the world and in the stock market, so I would say just be more careful, really preserve that capital. If you're playing positions, play smaller positions and keep those stop losses tight. If you get something from this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. God bless you all. Take care.